everyone, today I'm going to talk about tenses. Okay, so we'll start from perfect tenses first, which are present perfect tense and past perfect tense. Okay, I hope that you have read through the notes and completed your work before you watch this video. Okay, this video is for you to have a better understanding on these tenses. Okay, so let's look at the first one, present perfect tense. Okay, let's see. Present perfect tense, for the previous exam for your unified test, you have already learned about it. Present perfect tense, active voice, right? Okay, so let's look at active voice again. Okay, have a quick revision. Okay, the format for present perfect tense, the main format is has or have plus pp. Okay, has, have plus pp. Singular, we use has plus pp. Plural, including I and you, we use have plus pp. Negative, we add not. Okay, so hasn't, haven't plus pp. Okay, always remember your not should be followed after the first verb. Okay, so your not should be together with has or have. Okay, hasn't, haven't plus pp. Okay, question form, has, have plus pp. Has, have we put in front. Hasn't, haven't if it's negative question plus pp. Okay, now let's look at passive voice. Passive voice, okay, you see, remember what I told you before. Passive voice, we always change our main verb to be plus pp, right? Be plus pp. The verb at the back is always pp no matter what tense is it. Okay, it's always pp. The thing that will be changed is our be. Okay, be we have many forms. As I told you before, be we have is, am, are, was, were, been, being. Okay, we have many forms of be, our verb to be. So here, as I told you, passive we should use be plus pp. For present perfect tense, our original format is has, have plus pp, right? So our main verb is at the back, the pp. For example, has eaten. Okay, so our main verb here is eaten, right? Our main verb here is eaten. Eaten is our main verb. So we should change our main verb to eaten here to be plus pp, right? According to the format as I said just now. Change it to be plus pp. Okay, but which be should we use? Be, our be here. Because of the format has is our original format, right? So we use it, put it back, has, and after has should always be a pp. Our format after has should always be pp. So our be, we choose been, because been is the pp form of be. That is why it should be been. And at the back it is always pp for passive voice. So if we change has eaten to passive voice, it will become has been eaten. Okay, so for our passive voice here, our be we change to been because of has, have. Okay, because of present perfect tense, has, have. After has, we should always use past participle. Okay, so should be been. Okay, so singular has been pp, plural I, you have been pp. The others are the same as well. Okay, you add not to it. Okay, let's look at the usage. Usage, present perfect tense, we use it when we want to talk about an action which has been completed. Okay, this action has been completed, but we do not know when is it. We do not know the definite point. We do not know what time. When did this action, when has this action been done? We do not know exactly when. We just know this action has been done, that's all. Okay, and this action has present effects. Just because that action has been done, it has a present effect because of that. Okay, it will affect something in the present. For example, I have eaten my breakfast. So if you have eaten your breakfast, now you will not be hungry anymore. That's the present effect. Okay, so present perfect tense, the definite point of time is not known. We do not know when is it, and we just the main idea of the sentence is to tell you that this action has been done. That's all. Okay, that's the main purpose of the sentence. Okay, the time is not important in present perfect tense. Okay, now let's look at the exercise. Two questions. Okay, number one, the broken car what to the workshop. Okay, here our verb is send, S-E-N-D. Okay, if we use our format, broken car, one car, so your answer should be has already, PP, sent, PP, S-E-N-T, has already sent. Okay, but can the broken car send to the workshop by itself? No, right? So it should be sent by someone. Okay, if the broken car is the one that do the action, is the main thing that do this action, then it should be the broken car send something to the workshop, right? For example, I say I send the broken car to the workshop. That should be the active sentence. Okay, but you have the broken car in front. It means that this is the thing that has been sent to the workshop by someone. Okay, by someone. It's just that it is not mentioned here, that person. Okay, so your answer should be, this should be passive voice. The broken car has, because one car, so we use singular, has already been sent. Okay, remember when you have two blanks in a sentence, and you have three words to fill in, like this. You have two blanks, right? You only have two blanks, but you have three words, has, been, and sent. Where should you put the been? Okay, you just remember this. The first blank should always have one word only. Okay, you always have one word in your first blank only, so you can only put your been together with sent. Okay, and as I told you earlier, been, B plus PP, passive voice, B plus PP, they are together. So your been should be together with sent, your main verb here. Okay, so has already been sent. Okay, your keyword here is already. This action already been done, but we do not know when. Okay, number two, what the dishes, question mark. Okay, there's no keyword in the sentence. When the time is not mentioned, you must be very careful. There are two possibilities. When there's no time mentioned, no keywords in a sentence, it is either simple present tense, a fact, a truth, or it should be a present perfect tense like this. Okay, so here our format has have plus PP. So you see, you wash the dishes. So this person is the one that do this action, so it should be active voice. You person can wash the dishes, so it should be active. Okay, so active voice, you here, so we should use this format, have plus PP. So your answer should be have you, our PP, wash plus ed, washed the dishes. Have you washed the dishes? This is not a fact, so it should be present perfect tense, not simple present tense. Okay, no keyword in a sentence. Have you washed the dishes? Okay, let's look at past perfect tense. Okay, look at active voice first. Okay, past perfect tense is easier than present perfect tense because you do not need to know whether is it singular or plural. They are the same. No matter is it singular or plural, we use had plus pp, one format only, had plus pp. Okay, and for negative, we add not after had, so hadn't plus pp, question, had plus pp, or hadn't plus pp for negative question. Okay, passive voice is the same as present perfect tense. Okay, passive voice we should use be plus pp, and because had, after had should always be a pp, So we choose our B, we choose the PP form. So it should be been. So had been PP. Okay, had been PP. Negative, hadn't been PP, had been PP question, and hadn't been PP for negative question. Okay, the usage. Okay, past perfect tense, you need to remember, for past perfect tense, we must have two action in a sentence. Okay, two action in a sentence, and there's no duration. Okay, no duration in a sentence, two action. You have two action in a sentence, and one action happen before another. First action happen first, then only the second action happen. Okay, the action that happened first, we use past perfect tense, had plus PP. Okay, passive had been PP. The second action will be past tense. Okay, so your keywords should be when, after, before, these keywords, and a past tense verb. You must have a past tense verb for past perfect tense. Okay, must have. Okay, let's look at the sentence exercise. Number 1, what the cake what before she sent her kids to school. As I said earlier, you will have a past tense verb. So here, past tense. So keyword here, and another keyword before. So this action in front happened first. Then only this person sent her kids to school. So there are two actions in a sentence, bake and send. Okay, bake happened first, then she sent her kids to school. Okay, so since bake, this action happened first, we should use past perfect tense. Okay, let's look at this part. The cake bake. Okay, can the cake bake itself? No, right? So the cake must be baked by this person. It's just that they didn't put, the sentence didn't mention by her here. But then the cake cannot bake itself, so it must be baked by someone. So it should be passive voice. Okay, so passive voice, our format is had been PP. Okay, had been PP. So we should use had here. Okay, as I told you just now, if you have two blanks in a sentence and you have three words to fill in, for tenses, always only fill in one word in front. Okay, and the other two should be in your second blank. Okay, so had the cake, format again, had been PP, had the cake been baked, PP, baked at D. No such thing as bacon. Okay, I saw some of your answer. I saw that day I just read through some of your work. I saw bacon in your answer. Okay, please remember there's no such thing as bacon. Okay, B-A-K-E-N, there's no such thing as bacon, only baked. Okay, at D, okay, same as past tense. This is a regular verb, not irregular verb. Okay, so had been baked at D. Okay, number 2, she not sift the flour before she poured the milk in. So keyword, very simple one. Keyword, one of it should be your past tense verb, poured. Okay, another one is before. It shows that you have a sequence. These two action has sequence. One happened first before another. Okay, so do you still remember what is the meaning of sift? Okay, I told you before, is in your vocab. Sift is 过滤. Okay, 过滤. So she not sift the flour before she poured the milk in. So this is active or passive voice. How do we know? The action sift. She is a person. She can sift the flour. Okay, this person can sift the flour. So it should be active voice. Okay, active voice on format, had plus PP. You have a not here. So negative, hadn't plus PP. Your answer should be hadn't sift at ed. Okay, again, same thing, no such thing as sifted. Okay, only sifted. Okay, please remember sifted. So your answer should be hadn't sifted the flour. Okay, now let's look at the mix exercise. Okay, you have how many questions? 8 questions here. And let's look at them one by one. Okay, first one, your keyword first. The keyword should be ever. Okay, as I told you before, when you see ever, it can either be a simple present tense or present perfect tense. Simple present tense, when you have ever, you only have one blank. Okay, if you have ever together with two blanks, then it should be a present perfect tense. Okay, so your answer, let's see. What you ever see a shooting star? Okay, you is a person, shooting star is something. So see, this person can do this action and to look at this thing. So it should be active voice, right? So your answer is present perfect tense. Okay, go back to the format. Present perfect tense has plus pp. Okay, you, so we should choose have plus pp. So your answer should be, have you ever, pp for see, is it saw? Seen, should be seen. Okay, be careful here. So have you ever seen a shooting star? Okay, your answer should be, have you ever seen a shooting star? This is present perfect tense. Okay, number 2, Ali washed his hands before he ate the cake. Okay, so here very obvious, you can see there are two actions, wash and ate, so it should be past perfect tense. Okay, you can highlight your keywords first, before and a past tense verb, ate. Okay, if you have two actions in the sentence, one of it is past tense, then it should be a past perfect tense. Okay, so Ali washed his hands before he ate the cake. Okay, Ali can do this action to his hand, so it should be active voice. Okay, active voice, past perfect tense. Our format should be has plus pp, had plus pp, sorry, had, had plus pp. So your answer should be had washed. pp for wash is washed at ed. Okay, Ali had washed his hand before he ate the cake, past perfect tense. Okay, number 3, Lily what just her alarm. Okay, your keyword here should be just. Just is the keyword for present perfect tense. Okay, we know that this action has just been done, but we do not know when. Okay, so it should be present perfect tense. Okay, so Lily, her alarm set. Lily can set her alarm. Okay, so this action can be done by the person in front, so it should be active voice. So your answer, Lily, present perfect tense, singular, Lily one person, has plus pp. So your answer, has just set her alarm. Okay, pp for set is also set. Okay, please remember, verb like put, cut, set, their past tense and their pp form is the same as the original form. Okay, has just set. Has just set. Okay, number 4. Your keyword before and fainted. Okay, fainted is a past tense verb. Okay, you see you have a past tense verb here and before. Shows that there are two actions in a sentence. One happened before another. So it should be past perfect tense. So the test, take. There's nothing at the back. Okay, there's nothing behind take. You cannot, the test cannot take nothing, right? So this test must be taken by someone, right? So this should be a passive voice. Okay, test must be taken by a person. Test cannot take itself, right? So it should be a passive voice. So your answer should be past perfect tense. Okay, past perfect tense, passive voice, had been pp. Okay, go back to our sentence. So your answer should be had been taken. pp should be taken. The answer had been taken. Okay, number 5. She packed the food after it heat up. Your keyword here, you have a past tense verb. Okay, very obvious. Past tense verb and after. Okay, she packed the food after it what up. So this action happened first, then only she packed the food, right? Okay, so this should be past perfect tense as well. You have two actions, one happened before another. Okay, so past perfect tense. Past perfect tense, eat what up? The food heat up. Can the food heat up itself? No, right? So the food must be heat up by someone. Okay, the food must be heat up by someone. So your answer here, it should be a passive voice, past perfect tense passive voice. Your format had been PP. Okay, had been PP. So let's look at your answer. She packed the food after. Okay, so your answer should be had been heated up. Had been heated up. Okay, had been heated up. Number 6, you finish your work before you watch the video. So keyword here, before and also watched. So your answer here, no, so this should be past perfect tense because you have two action in a word, two action in a sentence, sorry, and one of it is a past tense, past action. So your answer here should be you finish your work. You are a person who can finish your work, so it should be active voice. Active voice past perfect tense, had plus PP. So had you finished your work. Okay, had you finished, PP, finish, add ed. Okay. Next one, number 7. What the task what complete by the students already. So keyword here, already. No, sorry. Already. Okay, already, you have already here. It shows that this should be a present perfect sentence. Okay, present perfect tense. Present perfect tense, you have by the students. So it is a clue for you, shows that it should be a passive sentence, passive voice. So present perfect tense, passive voice, your format should be has or have plus been plus pp. Okay, so tasks, you have as here, tasks, plural. Plural, we should use have. So format have been pp. Okay, have plus been plus pp. So your answer for your first blank, have the task, have the task. As I told you just now, only one word in the first blank. Have the task been completed by the student already? Okay, so your answer, have been completed. Okay, number 8, last question. The video for oral test, what not recorded by city yet? Okay, your keyword here is yet. Okay, you have your keyword yet. We do not know when is it, we just know that it hasn't been recorded by city. So it should be present perfect tense. We just know that this action haven't been done yet, but we do not know when is it, when will it be done. Okay, so it should be present perfect tense. Okay, you have by. Okay, a keyword that shows you that it should be a passive voice. So your answer should be passive voice present perfect tense, has, have plus been plus pp. So oral test, the video, one video only, so we should use has, and we have a not here, so hasn't been recorded, hasn't been recorded by city yet. Okay, so that's all for perfect tenses. Please mark for yourself. Make sure to mark every question. If you are wrong, write down the correct answer at the side. Okay, and highlight the keywords. Okay, after you are done marking, please write down how many questions did you get correctly. For example, okay, I only get 4 over 8. Okay, just write it down here at the side. After that, take a picture and post in the comment section together with if conditional exercise. Okay, thank you.